How is it going, guys? Today we are bringing over the 2 Minute Tuesday series to the FT Speed channel. You may have seen this series over on the Subi Speed channel when I used to do the videos over there. But essentially, I try to cram as much information as possible into a shorter video. FYI, they're usually not 2 minutes. They're usually a little bit longer, sometimes quite a bit longer. But hey, I try, and that's what counts. Today, these are the side markers off my GR86, and as you can tell, they are no longer installed, and that's because, well, they're ugly. They've got an amber lens, sticks out like a sore thumb. It doesn't match anything else on the car. So this was one of the first things to go. And right now I'm running the clear JDM side markers that are a little bit spendy. And I know not everyone wants to spend 150 bucks on a pair of side markers. So instead, OLM has come out with their own options. 2 different options to pick from. These can be had for just about 80 bucks, so a lot less monies. And some of you might actually like how these are designed compared to the JDM ones. So I'm gonna show you how to get these installed and how they look on the car. Here's a quick refresher for those of you who didn't already know. This is what the JDM side markers look like. And let me turn them on real quick. And that's what they look like on. To remove the side markers, it's actually quite simple. You don't even need to take the wheels off like I have. I just did it to give you a better view. But in each of the wheel wells, there's gonna be 3 of these pop clips right here. All we need to do is press the center portion in until you hear it pop. And then just pry the fender liner out. And the pop clips will come out along with it, and you can pull them out. And now you can just fold the wheel liner back, and that gives you access to everything you need right here. I'm actually gonna take this off and get it out of the way just so you can see better. All right, so I'm pulling the fender liner out. Again, you do not need to do this. I just want to give you a good view of what's happening. When you fold the liner back, you're going to be looking for a couple things. The first thing is this connection right here that we'll need to unplug. So just squeeze the tab and pull it out. And then there's also going to be a 10mm nut that holds the side marker in place. Much better design than the previous gen. So take a wrench and break that loose and take the nut off. We'll be reusing this. Now, if you look on the top and bottom of the side marker, there's 2 clips that we'll need to depress to get the side marker off. Doesn't matter where you start, but just if you're starting on the top, press down on the top of it, and for the bottom, you press up, and you'll be able to squeeze those out and pull the side marker out. The new ones will pop right into place, just like the OEM ones. And then we'll reinstall the nut. We can plug the connection back in, and that's literally it. Once that's installed, reinstall the pop clips for the liner, test them out, and we're set. And there you have it, guys. It is literally that simple. 3 pop clips and 1 10mm bolt on each side to swap them out. Super easy install. They're only 80 bucks, so inexpensive modification that you can make that looks a whole lot better than the stock ones. You have either the clear lens option or the smoked lens option. And the biggest difference you'll notice that you saw in the B-roll is that the whole strip lights up instead of just the one LED like the OEM or the JDM one. So a much more uniform look rather than a single LED chip. So if you guys want to pick up a set of these for yourself, the link is down in the description. If you want to see more of this GR86 build, check out my personal channel. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.